Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So from the title, you know this is going to be a hair video, but I think before I even start, it would be irresponsible of me not to address the coronavirus scare going around. I know it's a real thing, and for everybody out there, I am praying for you. I'm sending good vibes your way, and I hope you will send them back to me. To those of you that have not been affected by the virus, just keep doing your part. Try to self-isolate as much as possible. For me, I have to go to work, and I work in a place that's never going to close, and I also work around a lot of people, so it's kind of hard for me to self-isolate when I'm at work, you know, but I go to work and I come home. But as far as doing my part, I'm just making sure that I don't go places that I don't need to go besides to work. And of course, I'm making sure I wash my hands. I'm making sure before I interact with my daughter, because you guys know I have a toddler, that I'm just, you know, washing my hands, making sure I shower, you know, don't touch her while I'm in my work clothes and things like that. Basically things I do anyway, because I don't work in the, you know, the cleanest of places. But I'm just taking extra precautions, making sure all of her toys are cleaned and all of our doorknobs are wiped down and everything. She actually is just getting over a cold, which she gave to me. So if I sound a little nasally, I'm just getting over a cold. But yeah, honestly, I'm not scared for myself because I don't fall in the age range of the people that are going to be super affected by this virus. However, I'm more scared of possibly being a carrier and not, you know, knowing it. And like I said, given the environment that I work in, it's kind of, I can't prevent it besides doing the standard hand washing for the 20 seconds, you know, just making sure I wear proper protective gear when I'm interacting with people, you know, things of that nature. So like I said, this is a very scary time. I was born in '86, so I've seen a lot of things. I saw the two towers come down. I saw Bin Laden be put to justice. I saw the first black president. Like, I've seen a lot of things. I've seen H1N1. I've seen SARS. So this I think too will pass. However, I think this is the biggest health scare that has happened in a long time. So like I said, I'm sending good vibes out to everybody in the universe watching this video, and I would hope that you would send it back to me and my family. All right, so now that we're done with that, let's get into some hair. All right, so the wig I'm going to be showing you, I didn't actually make for me to wear. I just made a wig just to make a wig because you guys know it's like my hobby that kind of like soothes me. So this wig is going to be available on my Poshmark. Link is always there down below in the description box if you guys want to check out the inventory that I currently have. All right, let's get into this hair. So this is a handmade 13 by 6 frontal, and it is a wig, obviously. I sew all my wigs with nylon thread, and I sew them on a mesh black dome cap. The frontal is from Barry's Hair. It's a transparent lace frontal. You guys know I rock with Barry's Hair hardcore. And the bundles I actually got from an online beauty supply store. So let me give you some specs. They're also going to be popping up here on the screen. So the frontal is a blonde, obviously, 13 by 6 lace Brazilian body wave frontal. The knots obviously are bleached, and it is in 14 inches. Now it's a body wave. That's why you can see the texture difference, because the bundles are obviously straight. But once I wash this, you're not even going to be able to tell. Anyway, as far as the frontal goes, there are some dark pieces in it, as you can see. I know with a lot of Aliexpress vendors, when you buy 613 hair, you will tend to get some dark hairs, but I only see about 4 strands just right here in the front. And if it really bothers you, of course, you can pluck them. As far as short pieces go, You know, they're little wispy baby hairs. I wouldn't say they're excessive. Barry's hair has really high quality closures and frontals. That's why I fuck with them so hard. Their frontals and closures are usually thick from the lace to the tips of the hair. You don't have like those straggly ends, and you don't have a lot of filler hair on the lace. So that's what I really like. And then for the frontal, it does appear to be pre-plucked, but with my blonde hair, I never pluck it anyway, because since the hair is so light, like, you don't really need to do plucking. Like, you can pretty much see through it anyway. This is what it looks like on the inside. And like I said, I'm not wearing this hair I didn't make this wig for myself. I just made it to make it because I wanted to make it. You guys know I don't really do frontals anymore. I'm more into large closures because frontals are just too much maintenance for me. But that's why I'm putting it on my Poshmark, because I'm sure there's someone out there that likes to wear frontals. So this is a nice blonde wig for you. All right, let me bring up the specs for the bundles. All right, so the bundles I got from a website called Hair Stop and Shop. Of course, all the links will be listed down below in the description box. And I think it only took about 3 days to get to me. I'm looking at my order while I talk to you. All right, this is Janet Collection 100% unprocessed Remy human hair in Atomic Blonde Straight. Obviously that's 613, and it's in 12 inches. So, or 12 and 14 inches. So I have the 12 inch at the very right on the bottom part, and then I have the 14 inch closer to the frontal. So there's only about a bundle and a half of hair on this wig. Because the frontal is so big, I didn't really need a lot of bundles. The cost for the 12 inch was $30 a pack, and then the cost for the 14 inch was $37 a pack. And I don't think I told you how much the frontal was. Let me look that up. The frontal at the time of purchase was $104. Regular price was $121, and I did buy this back in December of 2019. So I don't know if the prices are going to be the same. I know there's a lot of deals near the holidays, which is when I tend to buy a majority of my hair, but you can check the link down below and see if you can get a good deal right now, because Mother's Day is coming up. Anyway, yeah, so like I said, definite texture difference between the frontal and the bundles. I mean, obviously straight body wave, it's not that big of a deal after you wash it. I can't really give you, you know, an in-depth review on this hair because I'm not going to wear it. I am going to wash it because I do wash all of my wigs before I ship them. And I did have someone ask me, why would I wash a wig that I have never worn? So the reasoning is, number one, you should wash all of your hair product, like all of your hair extensions, before you put them on your head. Like, I don't care if you're buying it from someone else or you're buying it from a company, you 100% need to wash it because you have no idea what chemicals or irritants could be on that wig. So that's why I make sure that I wash all of the wigs before I ship them out. Number one, so they smell nice and fresh. And then number two, I get rid of any irritants that might be on the hair itself. And so since this is a wig that I'm not going to be wearing, I'm still going to wash it just in case there are any irritants or any film on the hair. That way the person that is purchasing this wig, it's ready to go right when they get it. And like I said, the bundles are from Hair Stop and Shop. Now they do sell closures on there too, but they didn't sell any large blonde closures, because if they did, I would have just made a closure wig, a closure blonde wig, and, you know, I wouldn't be selling it. But like I said, this is going to be available on my Poshmark. And let me give you another view of the inside. Now this will fit medium-sized heads. I have a 22.5 to a 23 size head. I wear elastic bands in all my wigs because my natural hair, depending on what state it's in, like if I have had braids on for a while, my hair does get a little thicker. But if I have fresh braids, then my hair is really close to my head. So it really depends. Like, that's why I say 22.5 to 23. It really depends on what my hair is doing at the time. So that's why I like to put elastic bands in, just in case maybe the wig is a little too loose. The elastic band will take care of that. So let me just pop this on for you. Oh, I have not sealed the wefts either, or sealed the knots either. These knots have not been sealed. All right, so as you can see, 13 by 6, ear to ear. Covers up my natural hairline very nicely. So this will fit a medium-sized head exactly, because this fits my head exactly. Obviously, I make all my wigs to my head measurements. So that's what it looks like. Okay guys, that's it for this video, and I hope you liked it. If you did, give me a big thumbs up and press the subscribe button down in the description box so you don't miss any more content from me. All of the links to the products that I mentioned will be listed down below in the description box, as well as a link to my Poshmark closet. And make sure you click on one of these videos, binge watch something, support your girl, okay? And I hope to see you in the next one.